Hey you guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? That's on period, poo, period. So in today's video, based on the title, you know I'll be doing a lock tutorial, kind of like this is how I'm gonna do it. This is what I learned from the tube, and I'm gonna share my experience with you guys like I always do. I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro once again because I'm waiting on my camera to get fixed once again. I received it, there was another issue, it sent it back to the people gonna fix it hopefully and send it back to me. I don't know, I'm really tired of using my phone because it's easier having one device for vlogging and YouTube stuff and the other one just for, like, you know, pictures, and I'm already used to using my phone just for phone purposes, and so it's a bit different using it as a vlogging camera and sit down YouTube content creating camera. But we're gonna get through it. Speaking of the issues, I have to charge it, so I'm gonna just introduce you guys to the tools I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead and wash and retwist my hair. As you can see, honey, we are in need. I'm gonna go ahead and wash and retwist it, and I'm gonna come back to show the actual pipe cleaner portion. I'm gonna be putting my locks in pipe cleaners for the very first time. They're basic black pipe cleaners. It's called Fuzzy Sticks. It's 25 pack. I got 3 of them, and they're really cheap, like 97 cents a pack from Walmart. I want to also give a shout out to 2 people that have subscribed recently to my channel. One of them is Dizzle Haskins. One person is Dizzle Haskins, and the other one is Sandra. What was her name? I usually read it off my phone, but because I'm using my phone to record, I can't read it off my phone. But it's Sandra and Dizzle. I'll post their names down below. Shout out to you guys for subscribing. I'm currently at 400. I'm currently at 426 subscribers, and my goal is to have at least 500 before we hit 2022. That is my goal, and like I've said in all of my, well, not all, most of my videos, once I hit 500, we'll be celebrating together. I'll be doing my first ever giveaway, so help me help you. Let's help one another. But yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone and I'll be right back to show you guys how we're going to install the pipe cleaners. I don't know what I'm doing, but I researched, so we're gonna find out. I hope it's cute, girl. I hope it's cute. See y'all in a minute. What's up, guys? I am back. I'm about to close my window because I think I hear music coming through. Hold on. So I am back, and I went ahead and did my makeup because I was attempting to do TikTok, y'all. I'm late. I'm so late jumping on this bandwagon, but TikTok, I be hearing it so much. I be like, let me get on there, let me see what's going on. It looks so fun, people in there dancing. I like to dance too, but I need a group. I don't want to just dance by myself. Oh, hold on, I'm getting a phone call. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a bob or just do, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try a bob the next time I do this, because I feel like a bob might be a complicated order. But I went ahead and twisted my hair like I said I was going to do, and I found putting heat on it helps a lot when it comes to the lock staying locked, because my hair does unravel very easily. As you can see, I have waves, girl. My curls turn into waves, and it's not very good to have wavy hair, curly, loose curl, wavy hair when it comes to locks, because they don't want to stay locked. But I went ahead and retwisted it. I didn't wash the whole head, but I didn't feel like it. So the style I'm gonna do is half up, half down with my 2 antennas in the front. So I'm just going to pull these back. This is kind of cute. This right here, this is kind of cute. That's cute. Do I want to do this? Or do I want to do this? Which one? This one's giving grown. Very much grown. This one's giving, we're having fun. We're having fun with it. Do we want to have fun with it? I think we want to have fun with it. So I think I'm going to do it like this. So I'm gonna need 2 hair ties. I'm gonna grab 2 pink ones because my nails are pink. I don't like for my hair accessories to match my nails. That's just me. So I'm gonna go grab that. I'll be right back. Tell me what you want, what you really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. I wanna really want. That's what I'm feeling like. So I put the ponytail holders in. They're 2 different colors, which is okay because my nails are 2 different, or not 2, they're all different colors. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Okay. Go ahead and open up the pipe cleaners. Baby girl, get these out. Gotta be careful, they're kind of sharp at the tip. How many come in here? A lot come in here. So this is how the pipe cleaners look, the little fuzzies. Little fuzzy wuzzies. And we're gonna take a 1 and we're gonna bend it like this. It's pretty short. We're gonna bend it like that. And we're gonna take the end. They look almost blue, that's how dark they are. So we're gonna take the end, we're gonna keep the loop, and we're gonna just twist it going down. Twist it going down. Just like that. And that is the first pipe cleaner. I'm gonna twist the rest of these off of camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert the first one so we can see how it looks. So we're gonna start from the back. My hair is basically already styled, but I wanna go ahead. I want to style it first and then put the pipe cleaners in because I'm not doing a bob. So my locks are pretty long. I'm gonna stick the bottom of my lock through the hole. So fast. Okay, so it's through the hole. And I believe the way I do this is I just wrap it going up, but making sure that the top of my lock is still twisted. So I wrap it going up like this. So I fold it over. And then just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. It looks so fast. Oh no. This might be a little weak. It's a little weak, honey. I might need to add multiples to make it stronger because this lock is thick. We'll see. I'm gonna keep going. We'll see. We'll see. We're gonna keep turning and turning and turning until we get to the top. This is how it looks. Ooh, that's not it. That is not that is not it, baby girl. That is not it. Let me try this again. It's the fact that this lock is so thick. For those who don't know, I used to be a freeformer. I'm post freeforming, but I still have really thick locks. And that's why a lot of the hairstyles that I want to have don't work for me because of this reason right here. Let me try a skinnier lock and see if that works because this might not be possible for me. I'm gonna stick it, as you can see, freeforming was my past journey. We're gonna stick it through. And then we're gonna twist it. Twist, 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 twist. Oh no, did I untwist it a little bit? And then what's left over, this hook, I'm gonna use it to hook on top of and twist around to keep it secure. Okay, well, it's super short. That's okay. That is okay. We're gonna go with that. I'm gonna continue. We're gonna see how the rest of it looks. It's a little chunky in here, but it's okay. This is my first time doing it. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and twist the rest of the pipe cleaners and add in the rest of the back row, and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, I mean, this is basically how the bob would look if I wanted to do a bob. I would want to do a high-low one, but and it's good that I picked a black one because it shows black against my dark locks. But yeah, I'll be back. I'll show you guys once I finish the back. All right, you guys, so I finished half of my hair, my locks, and the sun went down, so I had to turn towards the artificial light. And this is how they're looking so far. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think about the style? Is it childish? Is it giving playful? What is it giving to you? The length is definitely a huge difference, and I don't mind it because that just means it's gonna come out very, very curly, which I don't mind that. I'm probably gonna keep it in for maybe 3 days to a week. I'm gonna turn it around. I feel like I look like a whole different person from this angle. Like, who am I? Am I Shirley Temple? Like, I look like, I don't know. Am I still looking like my age? Am I looking grown? Am I looking like a child? This is how it looks from the back. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm gonna continue the other half. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I did it once again, just in case the first one was a little bit chaotic because I was trying to figure it out at the same time, but I just twisted. This is how I'm twisting it now. It's easy just to hold this in and just twist it with my finger, and then it ends up being like that. So I use this to wrap around. I wrap it around like this. Once I get to my scalp, wrap it like that around the root part and just pinch this part in because I don't want it to poke me because this is a wire. So I'll just show you how I do this one, the front one. I want to make sure it's the same length as the one on the other side because we want them to match, of course. So we're gonna stick it through the hole like we did with the other ones. We're gonna use this end to lay against the stick, and we're just gonna roll it, and we're gonna have that loop sticking out. So we're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. As it rolls, we're gonna make sure we angle it so that it goes up the pipe. Hopefully this is the same length because I really don't. It should be because they started off the same length. I guess it really depends on how I'm rolling it. That'll depend on if it's the right length or not. Looks like it is. So once I get to the top, you see it's sticking out. I'm just gonna pinch this a little bit so it doesn't show as much. I mean, you can clearly still see it on this side. That's okay. So we're gonna take this piece and wrap it around so that it stays in place and that it doesn't poke me throughout the night and the day while I'm wearing it. So this looks a bit thicker on this side. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but it's not really bothering me. We'll see. I might change it later, but I must have overlapped a couple of times. Let me try to fix that. And there it is. Boom. Boom, my little bangy bangs. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this and then I'll be back to show you guys the final outcome of how I'm gonna be wearing my my pipe cleaner curls for the next couple of days. And then I'll make a separate video taking them down. That way you guys can see the final results. So here is the final look. hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I will show you how it looks once I take them down. I'm gonna leave them in for a couple of days. If you have any questions, any comments, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.